The tools you're going to need to install your level railing kit are a cordless drill, tape measure, a level, a pencil, a mallet, speed square, 2 to 4 hand clamps, and we recommend using our bracket template. Now take your bracket template and make sure it is flush against the post. You're going to need to remove all base covers and post caps to make sure it is absolutely flush. And then clamp it to the post. Now take your top bracket and your bottom bracket and insert them into the hole in the template. The template will hold them into the correct spot while you can fasten them in. Using the screws provided in your kit, use a number 2 square bit. Now you can remove your template and move on to the other post on the opposite side. Repeat the same steps on your opposite post, still making sure that your bracket template is flush as possible. Now remove your top rail from the plastic bagging it came in. Line your rail up with the post and mark off where the post overlaps it. Now go to the other side and we're going to double check the gaps on both sides from the post, marking from the post to the first baluster mark. In this case, our rail already lines up with the brackets on our post, so we're going to go to the other side, and where the line is where the post overlaps, so we're going to measure back 5/8 of an inch, and that'll be our cut line. Now that we have our top rail marked off, take your bottom rail and trace over the line. Now that both rails are cut, take some of the cardboard from your kit box and lay them on top of them. Now it's time to start inserting our balusters. This will take some force, or a little tap from a rubber mallet. Now take your bottom rail and line them up with the balusters. Slowly but surely you'll be able to get them in. Remember not to get frustrated, and some force by the rubber mallet will be needed to make sure they are seated securely. After it is all seated securely, you can move on to inserting the foot block. Time to peel back some of that protective tape. Only peel back about 8 inches or so, and put the top cap on top of the rail. Now it's time to slide in our rail on our top of our brackets, and also making sure to slide it into the foot block decorative piece. Everything should slide into place just fine. With a little tap, it'll secure in. Here we are checking the spacing on our balusters to make sure they are even on both sides. This will make sure we had a nice even cut. Make sure the rail is even from the post on both sides. You can tap it back and forth before it's actually attached to ensure that it is perfect. Now, making sure that everything is plumb, we can go ahead and attach the rail. Using a number 2 square drive, you can fasten the rail using the screws that were provided in the kit. Do this on all 4 sides. Now that the rail is secure, we can go ahead and put on those caps to finish off the look. By using the handle of the rubber mallet, you can tap the caps right into place. For the bottom ones, set the caps on top and then mallet them down. They should seat just fine. And finish off by attaching your foot block.